Now, tell me, what do you worry about? What keeps you awake at night? If there's any worry you have, what is that worry?
I want to see the world united. I feel that the world should have peace so that the younger generation, they should not suffer. Every terrorist, every people who are trying to destroy the world, I think the time has come they must think about their younger generation. Collectively, all of us, whether I'm a musician or somebody is terrorist, but its time has come we must think about younger generation. We should give them beautiful, peaceful world so that they can enjoy. So this is the all the time my worry, and I'm always because I keep hearing that Iran is creating nuclear weapons, or America or Russia. So what is the need of these nuclear weapons? When you don't have any intentions to destroy the world, then why do you have nuclear weapons? We should not have nuclear weapon which can destroy the world. I think we should destroy the nuclear weapons, which is dangerous for the world. Because Hiroshima in 1945, we all know we are observing the ceremony, or that 1945 6th December or something. I mean, vaguely I remember that we are observing that day, we are observing that year, we remember that time, what happened with that Hiroshima bomb, but still we are going on making destructive weapons in most of the countries. So I feel sad about it.
I think that destruction comes with a thought in people's mind. And how would you want to guide people's thought in more positive creativity, on more positive thinking, so that their mind doesn't work towards destruction? I think the first thing that happens to people's mind builds destruction and builds these nuclear weapons. What would you tell the younger generation to start thinking from now on so they channel their energy? And all these terrorists are the most intelligent people in the world. It's just that they're not utilizing their brain power to creating something. So, how would you want children to think from right their childhood about thinking?
You see, I feel very proud that today Mahatma Gandhi, the whole world is aware about his contribution towards peace and non-violence. And this is the children should be aware about such people in this world, that without fighting, without creating, without hurting people, he got freedom of India. So that was a great achievement of life. And I think we have more people like Mahatma Gandhi, and there were so many other great people at that time who fought for the freedom in their own way, in their own style. And peace of mind and this peaceful world is so important for the younger generation. Every parent, no matter what religion they belong to, what country they belong to, but collectively we must create a peaceful world for our children, for our younger generation.
That is so well said. Now, talking about younger generation, let's talk about music and younger generation. Music is moving in a whole different dimension. Music is not the same. When I was growing up, I can't bear some of the music that happens these days, and I'm thinking, is this music or is this noise? I can't tell the difference. What would your thoughts be on how the younger generation is adopting to the new age music, and how can we keep them connected with classical, with instrumental, that kind of music that's soothing for the mind?
Yes, the way you said that there are kind of music which is almost like it's like a noise. Younger generation should only listen to appealing music, whether it's Indian or European or Chinese or Japanese. But appealing music is very, very important for the mind. And they should also not listen to music on very loudly. If you listen to loud music, noise, then there is a danger of damaging your very important cells of your brains. So it is my advice, friendly advice, fatherly advice or brotherly advice, whatever advice you consider, that please listen to music on a moderate volume and choose in your life what is appealing music. And also uh, listen to my sarod once and then you see how you feel. But look for appealing music.
Now, being one of the greatest sarod players that I have known in my life, you have so much power. How do you want to use your power in the musical world to change the world or even bring about the kids and the younger generation towards this deeper music?
I'm very fortunate that all kind of people, whether they are young or old, they come to my concert, and we can't differentiate, music for younger generation, music for older generation. I think music is for every generation and for all age group people. Uh, I'm I'm working through my music. I want to connect the world. I want that music has that power that these seven notes, sa re ga ma pa dha ni or do re mi fa sol la ti, all over the world, any music of any country is based on these seven notes. So all the musicians of the world, we are like one family, and I'm sure that all the musicians, all the artists, we want peace in the world. We want younger generation to be much happier, much peaceful, much more successful than what we have done. भारत है देश प्यारा, भारत है देश न्यारा, इसकी एकता महान, इसकी सभ्यता महान, इसकी संस्कृति महान, भारत